Hello everyone, this is Dr. Selim Ahmed. I'm going to show you data mining. So for the data mining, we're going to use a SPSS file. So for the data analysis, and data mining, uh, what you need to do, you have to have a survey questionnaire. I'm going to show you one of the sample template survey questionnaire. Here is a mobile banking perception, in particular mobile bank. And under this survey questionnaire, there are two types of variable. One is a categorical variable, another is a continuous variable. So under the categorical variable, we have a demographic information such as gender, age, marital status, highest education level, occupation, monthly income. And for the continuous variable, we have a variable like a perceived usefulness. So under this variable, there are 5 items, and used a Likert 5 scale, 5 points. One is a strongly disagree, two is a disagree, three is a neutral, four is a agree, five is a strongly agree. So if you have a survey questionnaire like this, then how you gonna key in your data into SPSS? So first of all, you have to open your SPSS file. Okay, I need to just clean up these things. Screen, yes, things. Okay, once you have the SPSS file, so you'll see the down here. One is a data view, another is a variable view. So data view for the data entry according to your collected data, and variable view for the create the variable. So first of all, before we go for the data key in, we need to create the variable here. So we'll create the variable according to our survey questionnaire. So see the survey questionnaire, we have a demographic variable. So first is the gender. So we go to the SPSS file, and you see the name, type, word, decimal, level, values. So first is a gender. So we type gender, type. Under the type you can find many options, numeric, comma, dot, scientific notion, date, dollar, custom, currency, string. So in this case we're gonna select the numeric because we use a numeric value for the data analysis. Okay, the decimal you can choose either in this case we don't need a decimal, just only 0. Okay, other cases you can use. Okay, the level you can write the level. If you have more than one words, you can use level here. So in this case, write down gender values. We must provide the values if you have different categories, different scale. Okay, so in this case, you need to refer our survey questionnaire. In the survey questionnaire, there are two categories. One is a male, another is a female. So for the male, we can define as a 1. For the female, we can define as a 2. Okay, see the 1 and 2. Okay, go to the SPSS file and then click the values. You see the value, so you can provide here 1 and type level male, then click OK, add. So add, then put 2 in the value and type female, add, then click OK. So once it's done, you can go to the data view. So you see that here is a gender already here. So the first this is the respondent. Okay, the first respondent gender is a male, so we can write to put it 1. Second respondent is a also male. Third respondent female. Fourth is a male, and is a fifth is a male again, or 6 is a female. Okay, if you put 3 here, it cannot show anything because only the number, because your provided value is between 1 and 2. Okay, if you put the wrong key here, it's not gonna show any text. Okay, so go to the next one. Is a age group. You see the age group is there are 5 categories. One is a 20 years or below. Two is a 21 to 30 years. Three is a 31 to 40 years. 4 is a 41 to 50 years. Fifth is a about 50 years. So we're gonna create the variable first. Okay, so we go to the variable view here and type the age. Is type of the variable is a numeric, and decimal we can put, make it like 0. Okay, type here age. Okay, and go to the values. So first one, put the value 1, type 20 years or below, add 2 or 30 years. Number 3, 31 to 40 years. Number 4 is a 41 to 50 years. Number 5, okay. Once it's done, just click OK. Then go to the data view. See the age is already here. So the first respondent is age is between 21 to 30 years. So you can put 2 here, and then second respondent 31 to 40 years. Just put 3. Then third respondent is 41 to 50 years. Put 4. And then next respondent is above 50 years. Put 5 here. Then our respondent number 5th is below 20 years. Put 1 here. Then sixth respondent is 21 to 40 years, 21 to 30 years. So once it is put, see here, you can click here to see the values of the level. So you can see that things. Say that you just put wrongly like 6, so it's not gonna show any levels here. Okay, here's this one. Okay, so once we done the categorical variable, then you can go to the next variable is a continuous variable. See, this is the perceived usefulness, 5 items. So what we can do, we can provide the code. Okay, PU. So this is could be PU1, PU2, PU3, PU4, 5th. So we're gonna make it in SPSS. Go to the variable view, and under the name, first one is PU1. Type is a numeric. Decimal is not necessary, so make it 0. So labels, what you can do, you just maybe you can copy this one. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, so you can see the level of the PU1. What does it mean the PU1? You can see. Okay, so go to the values. So okay, what you can do for the values, you see the each item defined by the 5 points Likert scale. 1 is a strongly disagree, 2 is a disagree, 3 is a neutral, 4 is a agree, 5th is a strongly agree. So go to the SPSS. The first value is a is it, 2 is it, 3 is in, 4 is in, 5th is in, so if you want to check the spelling, you see the right side, you can click on this spelling. If there is any error, so here is no error for the spelling. Okay, now once it's done, then you might select the thing and then you can check one by one. Okay, then you click OK. So once it's done, you can create also other remaining 4 items. PU2, PU3, 4, 5. Okay, so once your item is done, remember under the name you cannot use this space. You need to use one word, and might be you can use for the 2 word you can use some comma, underscore, but it should not be more than I think 12 characters. Okay, go to the values for the each of the item, PU2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can do the one by one, but it will take time. What you can do, you just go to the PU1. See the PU1, you already done it. So what you need to do, you just copy this one and select the other variable items and then click paste, and then you'll see that it's already done. No need to do one by one, so you can save your time. So once it's done it, you go to the data view and see the PU1, PU2, PU3, PU4, PU5. So you can key in data according to the responses. Okay, so first one is a agree, then strongly agree, neutral, then strongly agree. Second respondent, strongly agree, neutral, agree. So it is on top of 4, so make the 1 4 and strongly. Okay, so you can key in this one. So for the other variables, if this is similar, so you can make it like the same way for the data binding and for the data key. So I hope that this video is gonna help you for